Pete. Am I in the shot? So this is Zeke and Pete. And when your friends have two dogs that look alike, you need a little bit of help.
Pete.
So my friend Jackie here took a picture of Pete, took a picture of Zeke, and put it in this handy little ID card badge holder with little descriptions on the back. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, I'll get closer.
You can see that Zeke has more white on the legs, is 21 inches tall, 41 pounds, and looks like a Greyhound Border Collie mix. Pete, on the other hand, has more brown and black on his legs. He's bigger, weighs more, and looks like an Appenzeller. Some people think a Greater Swiss Mountain Dog mixed with a Border Collie. So what you do is, when you see one of those two dogs, and you don't know which one it is, you can just take out your handy ID badge and hold it up for comparison.
Careful going to Zeke.
That one's Pete. By the process of elimination, that makes the other one Zeke. Thanks, Jackie.